everybody, it's your boy AK. It's a beautiful day. We got the dog Ellie, and we thought, why not do another abandoned? And we are doing an abandoned KFC in Hamilton, Ohio. Now, I don't think we've ever done an abandoned KFC.
Yeah, I think this is the first Kentucky Fried Abandoned. And I gotta tell you, AK, this was my KFC growing up. I probably first came here maybe late 80s, early 90s.
It's very, I bet it closed because it's very close to the one in Fairfield.
Yeah.
Which was my child.
You don't see very many abandoned KFCs.
Yeah, so that's why we never done one.
So they've painted the sign, they've painted the entire building white, which led me to believe maybe something else was moving in here.
Yeah.
But as of yet, nothing. We can see inside.
So now is a great time to...
So pretty clearly we can see the dining room where the drink station was.
Yeah, it looks definitely like KFC to me.
Let's take a walk around the building real quick. And we'll bring Ellie with us.
Yeah. She might be taking some.
So we got a sign.
This store is closed permanently.
We look forward to serving you at other locations. Liberty Township, Fairfield, the west side of Hamilton. So yeah, there are 3 more in the vicinity, nearby, within 10 minutes or so. But this bad boy is gone. Great view right here of the ordering station where you would put in for your 3-piece or your tendies, whatever you were feeling in the mood for.
To be honest, I love KFC, but I love Lee's chicken.
I don't know if you can see, yeah, Lee's is good. The Colonel's face is embedded forever right there.
Yeah.
So let's take the puppy and let's take a quick brisk walk.
Yeah, it's definitely nice. I don't even need my jackets.
Yeah, it's unseasonably warm for midwinter.
We might get an early spring.
More stuff that's been painted white. Oh no, what does it say? Oh, private. Yeah, private zone. That means we are not welcome.
Yeah, but what are they going to do? Yell at a pretty dog like Ellie?
So back here, this is the dumpster area. Sometimes we take a quick peek.
Yeah, but another one of those rat pots.
Nothing too surprising. Wait a sec.
KFC
A whole gigantic sleeve of unused KFC cups.
I wouldn't touch that.
I would say that's a collector's item, but not today, not now.
Yeah, we're...
Hi, puppy. Oh my God. All right, we're halfway through this marvel of abandonment.
She wants a chicken tender meal.
Oh, would you like the dark meat or the light? She's like both. So when you're rocking out at KFC, you got to get your favorite side dish. Do you want the coleslaw, the mashed potatoes and gravy? Do you want the potato wedge? Do you want the macaroni and cheese? You got to get a biscuit, and the meal's complete. So AK's rocking the Mega Man shirt.
Yeah.
And we're getting ready to pull up. So we placed our order. We got a whole bucket of fried chicken, original recipe, not extra crispy. And now we're gonna come up to the window and pick up our meal.
All right. Yeah,
real quick, across the street, my childhood Taco Bell is now a Hook's Fish and Chicken. You can see it.
There?
Oh no. Nobody.
Does that mean it's an abandoned?
Yep, the straws will remain unsipped on.
Yep, they probably, if it turns into another restaurant, it might be used for...
There's the ordering station. All the condiments lay unused. That honey mustard will never be dumped.
I know.
A true tragedy has befallen the Colonel.
Yep.
Well...
Ellie can't get her chicken
like it never...
Teresa Cooper, you failed us.
Yeah, it's
Just got to call it like it is. Great view of the interior. You can see the tile, the faux wood, a nice ash. Maybe
Ellie can't get her chicken tenders anymore.
Yeah, she needs
well,
some
she
chimkin.
can at other locations, but East Hamilton, so
No.
long.
Yeah, it reminds me because there's this one at Badforce Park location. So
Yeah.
if you're near here and want to go to KFC, just do the Fairfield one.
Yeah,
Forest
good
Park one's
good
fine.
reviews there. Man, when I was a kid, we're going back to the 80s. This was the United Dairy Farmers.
Oh yeah, that was CDF, and there's the Hood's Fish and Chicken, which we shot,
I recommend
which
Mike's Chili and
is
Euros.
back now.
All right. Well, this was a
We came and
pretty
saw-
this is a pretty primo location. I mean, this is Route 4. This is Dixie Highway, very popular route. All right. We came, we saw. Let's get one final look.
Yeah, just one more.
So long,
Something that
East Hamilton KFC. Thanks for the memories and all the chicken.